So the sarcolemma, which is the cell membrane, has transverse tubules, and they change in the when the transmembrane potential begins a contraction. So muscles contract when the electrical potential changes. So we'll now start going through that process. So the transverse T tubules transmit the action potential through the cell, which allows the entire muscle fiber to contract simultaneously. And it has the same properties as the sarcolemma. So the myofibrils are lengthwise subdivisions within the muscle fiber, and they're made up of bundles of protein filaments called myofilaments. The myofilaments are what is responsible for muscle contraction. So within the myofilaments there are two types. There's the thin myofilaments made up of protein actin, and the thick filaments made up of protein called myosin. The sarcoplasmic reticulum is a membranous structure surrounding each of the myofibrils, and it helps to transmit the action potential to the myofibril. It's similar in structure to smooth endoplasmic reticulum. It has 4 chambers with terminal cisterna. So when we're talking about similar to smooth endoplasmic reticulum, that's what's in the other cells, not muscle cells. And it attaches to the T tubules. The sarcoplasmic reticulum is a triad. It forms from 1 T tubule and 2 terminal cisterna, so it's like a triangle. The cisterna concentrate the calcium charge, so positively charged ion pump, and it releases this calcium into the sarcomeres to help begin muscle contraction. So here we are looking at the skeletal muscle fiber. So the myofibril with the thin filaments and the thick filaments. So the thin filaments are the red lines and the thick filaments are the dark purple lines. We've got within the cell, we've got the mitochondria and the sarcolemma, which is the cell membrane. So this is all one muscle fiber. So now we're still looking at the muscle fiber, but now we're looking at that triad of sarcoplasmic T-tubule reticulum and the terminal cisterna. And there you've got the sarcolemma, which is the outside membrane, and the sarcoplasm inside of one muscle cell fiber.